Hi children. So we are almost finished with the chapter on planning, but two of the topics are left with the types of plan. We were discussing about types of plan. So we had discussed about the types of plans, policy, procedure, all these things have been discussed earlier. And it was said that in the video lessons there are two terms which need to be discussed. And those two terms are program and budget. So program is one of the type of plan. To program something, to do something, programming. So that is also planning. Program is one type of plan. So what is that program? Program, we are going to do a program. That is a plan. What type of program, children? It's a type of plan. Okay? What? It might be a cultural program or for any kind of puja or like that. Any kind of plan. So program, it is a detailed statements about a project. It is a detailed statement about a project. Whatever project we are going to take place, whatever project we are going to do, so we need to have some program for that, and that comes under planning. That comes under planning. When you want to do certain program, there must be some planning in it. Whatever program you do, everything in our life is a program, so we have to plan it. So program is one kind of plan. It is a detailed statement about what? About a project which gives an outline for what? Outline of what? Outline of objective, our goal, our procedure, our policies to be followed, our rules, our tasks to be followed. So they are all programs. They come under what? They are about a detailed statement. We drop a statement where we have a project, about a project. Suppose we are going to take up a tour. So we write down in detail the statement about that project, about that tour. About that tour, what is our objective? Why are we going? Are we going for an educational tour? Are we going for a certain recreational tour? Or so we have to have the policies. What type of policies do we follow in the tour? Procedure. So in the same way, in case of management also, these things are to be followed. Rules, regulations, tasks, these are to be followed. Then comes the last part of your types of plan, that is a budget. Budget, when we do certain budgets, we do something for what? It might be a financial budget, material budget, it might be a sales budget. Budget means thinking in advance about the future. So that also is a planning. That is also a planning. So budget is one type of plan. What is the type? The type is, it might be what? It might be in terms of time, money, materials, monetary budget. We all know budget. We do budgets. In every month we do certain kind of budgets for certain things. For education we have to spend this. For our food we have to spend this. For our clothing we have to spend this. In our festival days we also do budgets. To whom to give, what to give to whom. So what amount of money do we need? These are all budgets. So budget is what? It is also a statement of expected results. We do the budget, but the results we won't get it now. We will expect it in future. Whether it will be a budget will be a perfect one, that is what we have estimated. We will make that estimated amount, or the amount will be more than that. So that is also a plan. It's a statement of expected results expressed in numerical terms, in numbers, and that can be in money or time or materials. There are various types of budget, children. Various types of budget. Why? It's a statement. It can be a statement of sales. It can be a statement of materials. It can be a statement of cash, or it can be a statement of production. How much sales we are going to make, how much production we are going to make, how much cash we are going to spend. All these come under the topic of budget. So that finishes our chapter on planning. That finishes our chapter on planning. Next chapter we will have organizing in class A, chapter 8. We will carry on with chapter 8. The next lessons in our next week. Then we will see, because we are studying about the management, the principles. We have studied the principles. Now we are studying about what are the steps in management. First step is planning, that we have finished. And here we have learned about what is program and what is budget. These were the last two topics which were needed to be discussed in the video lessons. Others were discussed in the lesson plans. Okay, so up till now we are fine. I know that you will also be fine. We will meet, hope so, very soon. But for the time being, excuse me, you do your work, I will do my work, and both of us can exchange our ideas, feelings, so that we can proceed on in our next days to come. Okay, so then bye bye, thank you.